guys, and I'm not even a vlogger, but you know, we vlogging for today. So I'm gonna get my hair cut. I'm gonna get my unit changed because I want the fringe a bit longer. But I promise you guys I'll do a video. The guy I go to is so professional. He's a black-owned business. I've been going to him now for a while. When I say he sanitizes every fucking thing, he only sees like one client like a week, or maybe 2 clients a week. So there's no, like, you know, whatever. I've got my mask here. Let me show you my mask. I have to get my mask ready. I've got this bling mask. I'm so extra, but I had other masks, but the other ones I have, I can't breathe in them. But we move anyway. I'm gonna try and find them. So I'm gonna like head off now, and when I get there, I'm gonna show you the whole process. I probably won't get him in the footage because he doesn't like being recorded. But obviously I'll leave his details in the description. Poo. Okay, so literally just arrived. I'm gonna go to the salon now. The rain is mad. I'm wearing shorts. My skin looks hella good though. But yeah, I'm gonna go. I'm so late. Why am I always so late to these things? Black people time, we move. So yeah, I'm gonna take you in. It might be a bit silent because I'm not gonna record him speaking, or I'm just gonna record the process, then we'll speak after. Oh cool. Oh cool. I can't do it, so let's just end it. So I'm literally just in, about to get my hair did, got my mask on, mask off. Hey guys, I literally haven't done a voiceover in such a long time, so we're taking out my old unit here. I actually really like this unit, but I wanted the hairline just a tiny bit more forward, just because I feel like it's just going to give my head a better shape. So he's just doing the necessary steps just to take it off safely so none of my hair is damaged. My hair's still growing underneath it and everything's still fine, which I was worried about, but he actually takes care of it so well. I love Venner so much. And then he's literally relaxing my hair again, because my hair's been growing out so fast, because you know it's warm, and when it's warm your hair grows super fast. So he's just doing that to keep it on fleek and super cute, you know. So he's just shaving the back here, because basically what you need to do to get this done is you need to grow the sides of your hair just so it blends properly. Otherwise you're going to be able to see the lace, or the lace unit. So he's just kind of like tidying up, because when it's tidied up you just feel like a bad bitch. Here he's shaving what hair has grown underneath, which is minimal, but he's just doing it just so there's no scalp irritation. What is next, boo? So again, he's just drawing at the line, because I said I want it a bit more further, so he's just etching it just so he knows, and of course, so I'm happy with it also. So now he's putting the glue on. The glue is just what's gonna stick the unit down and make it all just cute and snatched. And then he's just kind of blending that out using like kind of a spatula moment. So this is what just kind of holds it down and just kind of puts it into place. I'm not sure how he does it, but he gets it just so on point all the time. And then he's just using kind of like I think the Dyson hairdryer just to blow it down. And then here is the lace here. So he sources the hair himself. It's kind of like a unique kind of afro textured hair. It's so cute. So he's laying it down. Every time I see this bit, I'm like, oh my god, I look so crazy. Like, what in the Ike Tanner is going on? But obviously, you're going to see it's going to transform really cute. So he's kind of just attaching it again. Look at me. I feel like a Jackson 5. So here he's kind of just raising it down just so it's just, you know, laid and flat and keeping it cute. And now he's just combing it again. And now he's just doing it again also, but a bit went in my eye because I'm wearing contact lenses. And now he's just doing it again, because obviously it looks crazy at the start, but when you'll see the finished result. And obviously it's coming together now. I'm looking cute. Obviously I'm feeling myself. I'm like, okay, season 1 beat. And I was putting mousse in it just to give it that, you know, that shine and that hold. And obviously he's putting loads on. I do this by myself as well, and like also to lay it down. And then he's combing it down using a special kind of, you know, wave brush which you need. And then I've got one of these, so you wrap your hair in it. And then he's going to put a do-rag on top of it, and he's going to put me under the dryer just so it's laid solid, flat and snatched to the gods, guys, you know. I'm going to get myself a wrapper. So it's putting me under the dryer just for a few minutes, just so, you know, it kind of just, you know, molds and just snatches it and everything dry. Look at me now. I feel fresh as F. So here you can really see where the hair is coming through and how it's just really coming together. And then he's kind of using erasers just to make it super sharp. I love this bit because he really works his magic and he just gets the hairline so beautiful. Look at this transformation, guys. Look at the transformation. Is this guy not magician? I just feel, and he's using just kind of pigment just to make my hair a tiny bit darker. Snatched or finished? Okay guys, that is the end of the video. I realized I didn't answer you guys' questions. So Venner charges I think £350 for the unit and the installation, obviously the cut and stuff, and the unit does last 2 times. So you have to get it taken out every 3 or 4 weeks. He'll take it out, wash it. So I'm literally on this vlogging camera, my hand is shaking. Wash it and then trim, and then you can pull it back in. So it does last a long time, but it just depends on like what you really want. It is kind of expensive, but I don't really mind it because it's giving me so much confidence. And you guys know I don't really mind rocking a bald head. If you look at my previous YouTube videos, I would rock my bald head, I just wouldn't care. But when I go out at night time, I wouldn't really like go out without a hat on. I'm not sure why. It's just my own kind of confidence issues. For me, with it early on, obviously I still grow hair, but I feel like my head shape's just super weird, and it's something that's just always just bothered me. Having this hair gives me so much confidence. Oh my god, I'm sweating. It's so hot. It's like so hot today in London, but it gives me so much confidence, and it just makes me feel beautiful, but like it makes me just feel like, I don't know, like wearing hats all the time, guys, is so annoying, especially like when you have an outfit and the hat doesn't go with the outfit. So it's just like, what do I do? It's just I had to switch between fedoras, but I really like the process. You can definitely contact Venner once all this whole lockdown thing has gone away, and he'll like give you a quote. And obviously everyone's hair situation's different, and it just depends on like where your hairline starts and everything. But I think I'm just gonna try this out for a while. I do want a hair transplant, but I'm just not sure at the moment who's the best place to go to. But at the moment, I'm loving my hair, and it's just super easy to look after. I just wrap it at night with a do-rag, and Venner gave me some foam, and it's just super manageable. I go to him for weekly cuts, but I can also go to my other barber, but I go to him just because he knows how to work around the unit. But if you guys have any more questions, definitely let me know. Look at my greasy ass. Like, I don't even have like a blotting powder, but who cares? My ass is greasy. If you guys have any more questions, definitely comment down below. And if you want like a more detailed question, Q&A, I can definitely make that happen. Or if you want me to ask any questions to Venner, I can ask him directly, and I can answer them for you on here, but I'm not sure if he would come on video and answer them with me. But yeah, he's just amazing, and what he does he's really good at, and I don't think there's many people in the UK that do what he does, but I do know there's a huge market for in the US. So if he stops doing it, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I might have to just fly to the US and get my hair done there and come back, but that'll be quite pricey. But also, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you for next Wednesday's video, and hope you guys have a lovely weekend. Peace and love, bitch.